Okay, so for case number 3, we have the listener moving towards a stationary source. Now, similar to how if I was the source and I move towards the listener, the frequency the listener observes will be higher than my actual frequency, right? In this particular case, I am the source, I'm speaking to the classroom, but I'm not moving. However, participants in the class start to walk towards me. So in other words, the listener is coming towards me, okay? And if the listener is coming towards me, once again, it will appear as if the frequency of the listener will be greater than the frequency of the source. Now, in order to get that using this formula, mathematically, I've got the frequency of the listener is equal to some fraction times the frequency of the source. That means that this fraction over here must be bigger than 1 in order for this thing to be multiplied. Okay? In order for this whole thing to work out like that. Okay, so on top I'm going, the source is now not moving, so this thing is going to be 0. Okay, that's going to be 0. So I'm left with just V and the same V on top. They carry the same numerical value. And for this to be bigger than 1, this fraction to be greater than 1, I'm going to have to say V plus VL, so that the top is bigger than 1. Okay, so that's your case 3 formula. Let's move on to case 4, which is our last case before we can do questions.